Hey everyone, back with another unboxing and outfit styling video. This one is from Moda by Maryam. So Moda by Maryam is based in Abuja, Nigeria. So it's an international brand, but they also have DHL worldwide delivery. So I got my item as fast as if it was a local brand. So it is a jacket and pant set. So the jacket has these beautiful detailed buttons, and the buttons are really just snaps, so it's super easy to get ready. They included the dua for wearing clothes, which is really a thoughtful inclusion into the package, and then you also earn points for every order. So it features this jacket, 3 snaps, and then it kind of opens to the side, long sleeves, and just very hijabi friendly. The jacket really hit me like around the knee, and then these pants, they're elastic waistband and also drawstring, so very accommodating to different body shapes and various needs. And the pants are like super palazzos, so they are really wide. They have one pleat down the center to give it a little structure, but it's really wide leg. So when I saw this suit, I really thought of how bossy you can look with this suit on, so I decided to really play up the boss vibes. I wore this wide-brimmed black hat with a matching clutch, so they're both woven in black, and then I matched the brown buttons with these leather gloves and some nice shades from H&M. So this suit is really a statement piece, but I really wanted to play up the idea of mystery and subtlety, along with wearing something that can be considered extra. So thank you guys so much for watching this. Be sure to follow Moda by Maryam and follow me for more modest fashion inspiration and styling. Thanks so much. Bye.